Hello guys, welcome to my channel Oratrix, and today we are going to see how to install Oracle Application Express 18. As we all know, it's a new version and just few days back it's released by Oracle. So let us start how to install our Oracle FX 18. I've also already uploaded one video on Oracle FX 5.1. You can also refer to that. Steps were same, but there are some changes in the views of 18. We're very excited to see. Just click on Oracle 11G. You need to install it first. Just click on that. Setup. You can download it from Oracle website. It's absolutely open source. Installation has been started. So this will require approximately 5 to 10 minutes depending on the configuration of your PC. So let's wait for some time. So one key aspect that you need to keep in your mind is that while installation of 11G, it requires a password. Whichever you provide, you need to remember that particular password. So whenever you need to log in into your Oracle 11G, you need to use that password. If you forget the password, I have also uploaded one video on that, how to recover that particular password if you forget. So the installation has been started and this will take somewhat time. We need to wait for some time. Uh, let's see how it takes. Yes, it's done. Just click on next. This one. You need to take care of this password. Okay. Just provide the username password. And click on install. This will take somewhat of time. And let me skip this video so that you know you can save the time. But this required 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, it's about to complete. Can be completed within 10 to 15 seconds max. Okay, it's done. Just click on finish. Now you need to download Oracle FX 18.1. This one. Extract the file. I've already extracted so that we can save some time. Go to C drive and create a folder here, like a new folder, and name it as a 10. We're going to put that particular extracted file into this folder. Okay, go to FX18 and just copy this particular folder and paste in that particular temp folder. Just click on paste. This will take some more time. Meanwhile, you can do something. Just go to your command prompt, go to a temp directory where we have installed. Go to Apex, type SQL plus sysdb, provide the password of Oracle 11G here. Oh, okay, we have connected. Now type @apex ins.sql sysox sysox sys space temp/i/ and press enter. This will take somewhat time. You need to wait approximately 15 to 20 minutes depending on the configuration of your PC. Number of things loading. It's actually installing effects into your PC. You can also skip this video. 2 minutes. Okay, it has been done. Now it's about to complete. I think. Okay, it's done. See, it will go to the prompt. Now again, you need to type SQL plus sysdba 11g password, again connected. Type apex apx rtins dot sql, then space sysox space sysox slash temp slash I slash, press enter. It will be done. Okay, now we need to change the password, so type @apxchpwd.sql. So this will change the password of admin. Okay, we need to change the password of administrator. So if you want to keep admin as a administrator name, just press enter. Email address, I'm providing my channel address, oracletricks@gmail.com, and the password, your admin password. Is that been done? Now the next thing is, actually we need to execute this exec dbms underscore xdb dot set http port. This is the reason, because as we know, we are at the same time we are using multiple softwares, and those softwares are working on 8080 port. So we need to change this particular port to 8282 so that we can work on this particular Apex on a particular port. Okay, so we are not going to be disturbed with this particular port. So we have executed this particular query. So this will change your port number to 8282, and whenever you need to log in your Apex, so you can access that particular with the 8282. Okay, so now the next thing is we need to alter the username. So just type alter user apex underscore public underscore user account unlock. Next is we need to provide a new password. So alter user apex underscore user apex underscore public underscore user identified by Oracle. Oracle is the password. Okay, it's done. So the next thing is we need to load all the images. So @apex underscore rest underscore config. So we need to configure the REST services here. So just provide the password of Oracle. Listeners. Okay, that is done. Now the next step is to load all the images. So @apex epg underscore config dot stl, then the path, then that is C drive 10 and press enter. So this will take somewhat time to load all the images which is there in Oracle Apex 18.1. So we need to skip this particular video for a while. Okay, done. So now you need to open a browser. You can use any browser. It's actually a browser based. So here you need to provide the first time Apex admin localhost 8282 apex slash apex admin. Just provide username and password admin and your admin password. That will redirect to the administration page. Okay, here's the page. You can check here that Oracle Apex 18 has been successfully installed. Here all the steps has been completed, but for further use for first time users, I'm showing this how to create a workspace and schema here. As we can see, 18.1 is there. So Apex has been successfully installed in this particular PC. Now the next thing is we need to create a workspace. Just click on create workspace, provide the workspace name like Reflex. The next thing is click on next. Okay, I'm not going to create use existing. I'm going to create a new one. That is Reflex. Provide a schema password. Click on next. Okay, here you need to provide a new password. Your first name, your last name, and oops, that is a code. So tricks@gmail.com. Click on next. Okay, I'm not going to say the password. Just click on create workspace. So this will require some sort of time, but after completion of this step, you will be able to log in to your workspace where you can build your applications, build your database and other stuff. You'll see what kind of new things were there. Some new videos will be there. Definitely now on 18.1 version. If you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe it as early as possible so that you can grab a new video on this. And the second thing is see there is a data file. So this workspace will also create an DVF file for you in Oracle XC app Exadata and XC. So all the database will be there. So workspace has been created. Just click on done and logged out. Return to sign in page. Here you need to provide your workspace name. My workspace name is Oratrix. Username is admin and the password is whatever I have provided. First time users need to change the password, so I'm going to change the password. Okay, it has been done. So soon we are going to see the first page of 18.0. Okay, let me full screen it so that it looks better. It's almost done, I think. Okay, done. So we have successfully installed our Apex 18.1 version. As you can see, 18.1 has been installed successfully. Number of things were changed. So new features has been added. Sample application you can see. Then okay, it looks very nice. Okay, so I will be uploading a new videos on this 18.1 version. So just subscribe this channel to have a new videos on this particular. Thank you so much.